How to add overlay in Capcut PC tutorial. Welcome to another How to Explained tutorial video. Today, I'll guide you through the process of adding overlays by which you can also create transitions for your videos using Capcut on PC. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really goes a long way in supporting the channel. Now, let's dive into adding those captivating overlays to your videos in Capcut. Step 1. Import media. To start adding overlays in Capcut, the first thing we need to do is create a new project. Once that's done, it's time to import the videos or images you want to work with. If, for example, you're looking to add a light leak transition, you might want to download a suitable clip from YouTube. I'll show you how to do that quickly. Just copy YouTube video link and go to SaveTube website, paste the link, and if any ad appears, go back to SaveTube page again, and download the video. Once you have your videos ready, impotence them in Capcut by dragging files in Media Box. Now drag them down to the timeline. You can trim them by dragging the edges if needed. Step 2. Overlaying the videos. Now, let's overlay our light leak. Drag the overlay clip down to the timeline. Instead of placing it next to or on top of the existing video, place it above it. This creates a separate track in the timeline. Here, you may notice that in the preview, only one video is visible. To change this, head over to the preview and adjust the corners. You can also use the Properties panel to change the scale and position of the overlaid video. This gives you control over how the overlay interacts with the underlying footage. Step 3. Blend modes. Here's where the magic happens. In the Properties section, find the Blend option. Experiment with different blend modes, for instance, brighten or screen. You'll notice that changing the blend mode can create a cool transition effect. Additionally, you can adjust the transparency for further customization. And now, if I play this, you can see a cool transition happening over here. And there you have it. That's how you add an overlay video in Capcut. If you have any questions or need clarification, feel free to drop a comment below. If you'd like to see more Capcut tips and tutorials, let me know in the comments. If this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content. Thank you so much for watching.